It's awfully warm out here today. I'm glad I wore winter gear. Oh my god, Ahmad died. He's so cool. I'm gonna take him back.
Tried everything I could and I couldn't save him.
Rest in peace, Ahmad. No amount of water, no amount of heat could bring his poor soul back.
First aid Levi, blizzard preparation is a serious issue. In case of a blizzard, you should pack at least 2 weeks worth of food and non-perishable food and water and a first aid kit.
Hey there! Your boy Rylan here. If you don't want to die like our poor friend Ahmad, make sure you pack warm clothing that's waterproof and will keep you warm all the time. Over all your body. You should layer up. It doesn't matter how hot you get because you'll have plenty of water to drink and keep you hydrated. But just make sure you're staying warm. You don't want to die like Ahmad. That was sad and pathetic.
Hey, it's Ahmad, back from the dead. Hey, if there's a blizzard and you need to go out in emergency, hey, so take a walkie-talkie with you, take some kind of communication with you, and if you get lost, look out for a shelter, American Red Cross first aid kit, look out for something.
Why? Prepared for the blizzard!